everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. It's been a hot minute again since I've made videos. This is a May Glossybox. So I do apologize. I've just, it was too hot in my house, and then we got AC, and then, there's stuff. There's always stuff going on in everybody's lives, right? But I'm back at it. I've got a stack of boxes over here to film. So we'll start with May's Glossybox. So this is a monthly subscription, and I believe it's $21 a month US. And, got a little coupon. So this is what the box looks like this month. So it is a little fancy. Oh, that's really pretty. So Let the Sun Shine. So we'll get into this and see what we got. All right, so it's always so beautifully packaged, although it has been late the last... Oh, ow, I just hit myself in the face. That's what I get for talking crap. But it has been late the last couple of months. I just got an email saying July's box wouldn't be shipping till the end of July, but that's okay. I got enough boxes to keep me busy. So this will tell us the prices of all the things we got, and then that is the packaging. That's really pretty. So this will be a mix of full-size and deluxe items, and then we'll see what the price and see if we got good value for our box. Okay, so first up from Earth Harbor, we've got Helios, Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule, Red Algae, and Plant Stem Cells. I do have 2 face oils from this brand already, and I really like them, but I don't think I have this one. Nope, I don't. So I've got a blue one and a green one, and that one is a really pretty red color. And what does this do for us? This is an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra reparative plant stem cells and a fountain of youth preserving red algae extract. Unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily skin stressors. This liquid gold ampoule is a godsend for skin in need of after sun replenishment, bold defense against the elements, and thriving barrier function. That sounds like it'll be perfect for summertime. And next up we have another spray bottle. So this is from Aveda. A Nutriplenish leave-in conditioner for all hair types. Perfect. Always could use that. All right, next up we have Ureage. So it's a Ureage thermal water. Hydrate, soothe, protect. Pure and natural, drawn from the heart of the French Alps. What does this do? What do I use this for? Spray and let it act. Okay, so I'm just going to spray it on my face, I guess? Sure. Why not, eh? Oh, I really don't. I hope it's for the face. Feels like it's for the face. Oh, it's very wet. Very moist. So we've got that. All right. Next up, we've got from Kneep. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. A mineral bath salt. See, I haven't done this in a long time, so I'm all anxious about it. Dream Away valerian and hops essential oils. So it's just a bath salt. I'll probably give this away because I don't take baths, I take showers. But I think that this will come in handy for someone who likes baths. Next up from Polar is a mask, revitalizing mask with boreal algae. So rich in beta endorphins and stimulating essential nutrients, this polar night mask revitalizes stressed and dehydrated skin. Night after night, toxins are eliminated, the skin is smoother, regenerated and revitalized, the skin seems visibly younger. I love visibly younger skin. Perfect. All right, and it looks like our last thing is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it is HD setting spray, high definition makeup setting spray for lasting matte finish. So I do like a makeup setting spray, but I do have quite a lot at the moment, so I'll probably pass this along as well. Got a lot of sprays. No makeup. Guess I'll get over that someday. So let's see what our value is. Okay, so here is, this will tell us all the prices. So the Earth Harbor, this is full size, $48. I swear every month I've got a substitution or something is missing. So I was supposed to get this from Josephine Cosmetics, which was a Do You liquid highlighter, which I would have enjoyed. So instead I think I got the Bella Pierre. So the Josephine Cosmetics was $36. So I'll just equate this to $36, I guess. Mineral bath salt. This is like a packet sample size for $4. The full size is $20. The Aveda Nutriplenish leave-in conditioner. This is a travel size for $12 and full size is $37. This is an extra treat. So the thermal water. This is travel size for $3.50. Full size would be $12. And then see, that's supposed to be an SPF, very high protection at sun cream from the same brand, but I got the night cream. So this is the Deluxe Mini, and this is valued at $12, so I guess I'll equate this to $12 as well. And the full size is $30.40. So you see what I mean? I mean, two things were not in my box, and they replaced them. Let's see how much the value is. All right, so the value is $115.50, and the value is definitely there, except I don't think that this is worth $36 like the Josephine Cosmetics highlighter. This is probably comparable, but yeah, like how do you get your value if I'm gonna have to do the Googles? Yeah, so I'm slightly disappointed, especially because they substituted 2 products and didn't really tell me that. But picking my favorites from what I did get, I do like the Earth Harbor products, so probably this one. And then the leave-in conditioner, the night mask, the bath salt, sure, and then these two. Probably this one, and then this one. So yeah, I'm disappointed, guys. Okay, let's hope June and July are better. I have June sitting here as well. So I want to thank you all for watching. Really appreciate it. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a really long time. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can hit like down below, and then you can click here to subscribe. And there's more videos here and here. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.